I would like to bring to your kind notice the bad condition of the roads in our area through this letter. Full stop. Change the paragraph. For the last 4 months, I would like to bring to your kind notice the bad condition of the roads in our area through this letter. From the paragraph, for the last 4 months, the road has been almost impassable. Full stop. We have made several complaints. But the problem is being neglected, being neglected for a long time. Full stop. The surface is broken. The surface of the road is broken. The surface of the road is broken by the heavy rainfall. Full stop. There are heaps of road. There are heaps of HEAPS, heaps of road material on both sides of the road. Full stop. They leave little room. They leave LEAVE. They leave little room in the middle. Room, ROOM. In the middle. Full stop. The side drains are DRAINS. The side drains are blocked and the water flows out. Full stop. So, the road gets flooded. Even after a slight rain. Slight SLIGHT, slight rain. Full stop. There are potholes on the road. There are potholes, POT, holes on the road. Full stop. The broken culvert, CULVERT. The broken culvert. Culvert means a bridge, small bridge. Culvert is also a danger. a danger for vehicles. Change the paragraph. Especially the students and staff are facing a lot of problems. Are facing a lot of problems. Full stop. Kindly look into the matter. Kindly look into the matter and do the needful. NEEDFUL. Kindly look into the matter and do the needful. Full stop. Write down subscription at last.
There is no name given.
Yours.
Yours truly. Yours truly, principal.
Yours truly. Name is not given?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Principal,
Random.
post is given. Post is given.
Write one name, any one name.
Random.
Imagine one name and write down.
Current.
Sir, principal, post also we have to mention.
Now, below that,
Principal,
below the
Walmart
name,
School.
principal, only principal.
Done. All five.
Name of the school already we have written now. Yes?
All five letters are done.
Almost all. Now, if you have any doubt,
Specially, spelling of specially. Specially.
S, E, S, both are correct.
Both.
E capital or S capital. Now you can go through all these four type of letters. If you have any problem, any confusion, then we can write one or two more samples for that one. Okay, so paragraph writing is over and letter writing is over.
Already paragraph.
Analytical paragraph. Diary entry is not in the syllabus, but sometimes on the basis of literature,
That counts.
question may be asked.
Like in any.
Okay, suppose that you are
Any
Anne Frank and you are supposed to write so and so and so and so. So in the format, all of you know.
Yes, sir. Date. First of all, date.
First of all,
Date.
then
Dear diary.
Dear Diary. जो भी.
Day and date what?
day, then time,
On right hand side, sir.
any side, no problem.
Dear diary.
Dear diary.
Sir, time
Sir, if
also.
our diary has any name, then we can write that.
That if you have. But usually it is not given. It is not given in the. They don't give in the question. No any name. Okay. Dear diary, and from the paragraph and at last your
Signature.
name of.
From the margin, starting
From margin, always, everything. Paragraph begins from margin. And this at least dividing two paragraphs, minimum two paragraphs. Okay? So day is here, date is
Sir, you follow date two times.
day and date both. Your date and then date, time. Time usually PM. Okay? Don't write in
And
daytime. Yeah, write in first person. We write diary in first person. And tense usually we use past
past.
tense. Okay? And don't start with that I woke up early in the morning. Okay? Avoid that one. Nice. With some standard sentence, you can start your diary.
Today this is about.
Then we have to make a box too.
Diary is not necessary. If you want, you can make it. Yes, now next lesson we can start from the diary of Anne Frank. Tomorrow. Half an hour we have.
25 minutes. No, 20 minutes.
You may get the opportunity.
Sir,
I told
When?
planning is going on. Someday you'll get the chance to go to the ground also.
Inform us a day before.
Sir, you
That
will
we
make
can-
the pair or we can make the pair?
we can.
If you can make, then it's
Sir, please.
Sir,
wait,
cancel the pair.
Sir, please cancel the pair. You ask question. Sir, either you ask or
cancellation is not in my hand. It is not. I am not doing from my side.
Sir, you are telling it at a very serious.
10, huh?
You are telling this point at very serious time.
तो क्या होगा
You don't have any option.
आपने क्वेश्चन लिख के दे देना
That is, in this way, what would happen that you will bring your partner. Now, suppose Ojas has partner and he has chosen Samath.
Nobody will.
Samath does not come, so at least he will.
No, we will adjust.